All right, guys, welcome to the channel, The Pound Trader, making an analysis for Monday, the 30th of September, 2024. Very welcome to the chat. So we are starting off on the monthly time frame, the Pound USD. So it might sound a bit repetitive if you've been watching my videos, but just for anybody who is new, I am still on the sell side, and this is mainly because I think that we are in a range, and I think that this move here is a pullback, and also because if I take my Fibonacci retracement tool, I can see that currently we are at the 78.6% Fibonacci level. So currently I am waiting for the monthly candle to close. If the candle does end up breaking above this level here, then maybe I might change my bias, but I honestly still think that there is room for some sells down here, and then we'll probably see after that. But for me personally, this is just my bias since the beginning of time. I was looking for sells around this level here, but clearly price ended up breaking above, and we also didn't have a clear bearish candle. So going over to the weekly time frame. So now with the weekly time frame, we can see that we are making higher highs and higher lows, still at this 78.6% fib. Last week's candle closed with an indecisive candle, equal pressure from both sides. So maybe we'll see what this week has in store. But yeah, it has been an uptrend, and then we had this key level over here. It's broke above, retraced, and now we are currently on this level here. So daily time frame, just quickly. So yes, daily time frame as well, uptrend, and then we can see we had quite a couple of candles over here. This candle didn't manage to break above or even engulf this other one. So I think for me, it is still it's still like not really confirming, but for me, it's. I think you understand what I'm trying to say. For me, I'll still be looking for sells. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Okay. It is a tweezer top, by the way, but I don't know. I'm just hoping that this level holds. And we can see Friday's candle closed with a small bearish candle here. Didn't quite engulf. So yet to see. Okay, 4-hour time frame. So now we can see more clearly we have a higher highs and higher lows. I have this trend line that I plotted over here, and I can see that we have a sort of triple top situation around this level here. I don't know if this is going to make like an asymmetrical triangle. Maybe let me see. I don't know, but I guess we'll just have to wait until Monday. So I don't know. Let me see. This sort of is making some sense, but I guess we'll have to see the play. I think because if I take a look at the dollar, you'll also see why I have this bias, but this level here has been quite strong. And for me, the best sort of setup that I would be waiting for is probably break below this trend line over here. So something like that in the retracement would be cool. If not, maybe another top from over here, maybe another candle, hopefully a strong bearish candle without breaking this level here to then confirm the sells once this trend line is broken. But as per now, if price is still moving above this trend line, I don't think I'll be looking for anything as of yet. So going over to the 1-hour time frame. So I normally put these vertical lines, vertical lines, just to show me what's happening in the week. So now I will move it because this was last week. So basically I normally move it just to see, as you can see, this is Monday to Monday also. So just to see what was happening last week, and we can see this was last week's low, last week's high, and with last week's high, price still wasn't able to break above. So just repeating maybe for what I said, I'd be looking, I won't take any move here, but I'll hopefully be waiting for a nice reaction around this level here, hopefully on the 4-hour time frame, because the 1-hour time frame might be a bit tricky. So I'll be waiting for this setup on the 4-hour time frame, simply because we are at the top of a swing point, and sometimes these 1-hour candles are not the strongest. So yeah, I hope I've made sense. If not that, a break below this trend line here, which I'd really like to see, and then a retracement, and yeah, and we can see this is also Friday's low. I've just put it over here, and Friday's high. So I will be monitoring what's happening between Friday's high and Friday's low. I really hope I've made sense. So I'm just going to go over to the dollar index now. I'm going to start off on the, should I do the one? Yeah, let me do the monthly. So on the monthly, I think we still haven't really been able to break below this level here, hence why I'm still sort of positive on the pound, but we'll still see, because of course if this level does end up breaking and maybe like a retracement or something, we'll see. But we still have I think 2 more days before the month closes, And yeah, so weekly time frame, we can see last week's candle, also indecisive candle, still didn't break below. Daily time frame, lots of consolidation around this level here. I saw this bearish engulfing, and I thought that price would continue like falling, but it didn't. Yeah, it was followed by this bullish candle over here, not an engulfing, but we can see that there's still a lot of pressure here. So I'll be observing, and you can see also have this level here. I'll be observing and waiting. If the dollar does end up breaking below, then I might have to switch my bias. But as per now, if this level continues holding, I will be looking for what I'm looking for on the pound USD. Okay, so just the calendar very quickly. I'm based in Kenya, so we have some Euro news, which is all day, and then at 8:55 p.m. East African time, we have some USD news, so I'll be on the lookout for that. But for me personally, I stopped trading from 7 p.m. East African time. I do not look for setups past 7 p.m. East African time. So I think I'll just be okay with this either way. And then we'll just see. Tuesday we have some Euro news and USD news at 5 p.m. And in case you're wondering, I have filtered my news to only give me Euro, USD, and British pound. And we can see you don't have any British pound news this week. And also red folders just to show me the key or important sort of news. So yeah, that's it. Basically just waiting for shorts, and yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Please comment, let me know what you think. Are you still bearish on the pound, or do you still have reservations? Let me know. But personally, this is like a move that I'd like to look for next week. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and bye-bye.